Mistakes Nigerians make when starting a business. Every week, thousands of Nigerians start businesses with passion, ideas, and energy. Yet, many of these businesses shut down within the first few years. Not because the owners were lazy, but because they made avoidable mistakes at the foundational stage. My name is Charles Nkwoka. I am a corporate and commercial lawyer, and I work daily with entrepreneurs across Nigeria. In this video, I will expose the common mistakes Nigerians make when starting a business, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, starting without legal structure. This is one of the commonest mistakes. One of the biggest errors is running a business informally for too long. Many entrepreneurs delay registration, ignore legal documentation, and operate on trust alone. This exposes the business to disputes, losses, and legal shutdown. The mistake number 2, mixing personal and business money together. Another common mistake is treating business money like personal income. When there is no separation, there is no clarity. Businesses collapse not because they are unprofitable, but because cash flow is mismanaged. Mistake number 3, no clear business model. Many businesses start without understanding how they will consistently make money. Passion is not a business model. If revenue, pricing, and value are not clearly defined, sustainability becomes impossible. Mistake number 4, ignoring contract and documentation. Verbal agreement destroy businesses. Partnership, suppliers, relationship, and client engagement must be properly documented. Without contracts, misunderstanding turn into conflicts, and conflicts turn into losses. Mistake number 5, lack of planning for growth. Some entrepreneurs fear growth because they never plan for it. They hire randomly, expand without systems, and collapse under pressure. Growth without structure is dangerous, very, very dangerous. Mistake number 6, trying to do everything alone. Refusing to delegate responsibilities. Hire and seek professional advice slows growth. Successful businesses are built by teams, systems, and experts, not by one exhausted individual. Strategic insight I want to give you. Most businesses failure are not about the market. They are about decisions. The earlier you correct these mistakes, the stronger your foundation becomes. If you have made any of these mistakes, you are not alone, but now you are informed. Like this video, subscribe for weekly business and legal insights, and drop your question in the comment section. Share this video with someone planning to start a business. Follow me across all my platforms for clarity and build profitable business. Mistakes are costly only when you refuse to learn from them. Thank you for watching.